Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best natural migraine relief that you should buy. Let's do started.
Number 1. Medcosa Headache and Migraine Relief Wrap. Staywahdwhenamigrainestrakes. When a migraine unexpectedly strikes, use our migraine relief wrap for effective pain management. It creates an ice cocoon around your head, enabling a dark, tranquil environment to relax and chill in. Rotate between wraps for a continuous cooling and soothing solution. Number 2. Aculier Headache and Migraine Relief Natural Hat. Natural headache and tension relief. Medications and other dietary supplements can help. But it's frustrating to take a pill every time your head hurts. The good news is there are several natural approaches you can try that help manage the pain and discomfort of a pounding headache. Aculier Migraine Relief Cooling Therapy Wearable Hat provides natural relief for headaches, tension, and muscle pain. Therapeutic and easy to use, cold therapy reduces swelling, discomfort, and pain caused by headaches, migraines, inflammation, and injury. Number 3.
Hey guys, I used to get headaches and migraines all the time, but I think I finally found the solution. The Thera Ice RX Headache and Migraine Relief Hat. It uses cold compression to provide relief for different levels of headaches and migraines. So you can focus on something else instead of sitting through the pain. What I love about that is that there's no hard insert or Velcro on these either. So it's super comfortable and provides form-fitting 360-degree coverage. And one size fits all. Once it starts to wear off, just pop it in the freezer. Super easy. Trust me, you don't have to settle for annoying headaches and migraines. Find the relief that you need, just like me, with Thera Ice RX Headache and Migraine Relief Hat.
Number 4. Headache and Migraine Relief Cap for Comfortable. MULTIPLEUSESASAMASKORICECAP. You can wear it like a cap just over the temples, or as an ice mask covering the whole face. You can arrange the ice packs behind the ears, under the eyes and around the sinuses. Whenever you need to help you where you need it most. This cooling supports 3 benefits. It provides relaxation, a distraction, and improves your sleep.
Number 5. Hilph Ice Pack Migraine Ice Head Wrap for Relief. Targeted migraine relief, contouring to lay flush along the head. This head gel wrap can timely relieve headaches, sinus pressure, and migraine pain. The groove design in the middle of the nose is in line with the ergonomics concept, and the soft cloth cover inside prevents the ice pack from directly contacting the skin, providing more comfortable physical therapy. Easy and hands-free application. New design headache ice wrap can secure around head for hands-free application. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.